story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my pros? It's me, Gina Marie, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the subtle changes that I have made to my natural hair that I think really made my hair do a 180. Like, my hair has definitely within the past few months have been looking real good. I'm not gonna even lie, it's been looking real good. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I've been doing. And so yeah, let's get into this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you join our Smart Pro family and hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any uploads. And one of the very first things that I did was I switched from the Denman brush to the Felicia Leatherwood brush. And if you guys, I posted a review on that brush and everything, but one of the biggest things from that, why I needed to make that switch, was because with the Denman brush, I was losing a lot of hair, and I didn't even realize how much hair I was losing until I started using that Felicia Leatherwood brush. So from the time I started using the Felicia Leatherwood brush till now, I've just been keeping a lot more hair on my head compared to when I was using the Denman brush. I was losing a lot of hair during my wash day, and what I thought was normal turns out not to be normal for my hair. So that is the number one change that I have made. The next change that I have made is I actually detangle now. So you guys seen the few wash days and stuff that I have posted, I actually take the time to detangle my hair. And that is something that I was not doing at first. You know, I'm thinking because my hair was shorter, I could get away with it. But as my hair gets longer, I think it's kind of getting to the point where I had to be real with myself and say I need to really detangle my hair. And so that is another change that I have done to my hair, is I have just started thoroughly detangling before I actually shampoo my hair. And so what I do is I just get in the shower, I use a good conditioner with a lot of slip, and I just take my Felicia Leatherwood and detangle my hair. And one thing I notice about me doing that is when it comes down to the actual styling, I don't have to do a lot of run-throughs, and I find that using the Denman brush for styling is a lot easier because my hair is already thoroughly detangled. So the Denman brush isn't trying to detangle my hair, it is just trying to define my curls, which is what it's meant to do. And that's why my styles have definitely started looking a lot better, because now that my hair is thoroughly detangled, the Denman brush can work like it's supposed to, and now that's why I get really great results. So that's number two. Number three is I have actually started to re-moisturize my hair during the week. It is something that I didn't do. And let me put it this way. My hair products are moisturizing enough to get me through the week, but I can definitely say by day 3, day 4, my hair is not at its peak when it comes to moisture. And so I have stopped being lazy, and what I've just started doing is just spraying my hair with some water to reactivate those products and just retwist my hair. And that's definitely helped retain a lot of moisture, and it's definitely made coming back to wash day a lot more easier because I have less tangles, because I re-moisturize my hair and I'm not trying to work on super dry hair. So that has definitely been a subtle change that has helped. And another change that has definitely helped is I have actually upped my usage in protein products, or protein deep conditioners. I used to didn't use them but every 4 or 5 months, but I've really gotten to the habit of trying to use them at least once a month. Now, I'm not using products that are just like jam-packed straight protein treatment, but I'm using a lot more deep conditioners that are like more of a restorative type deep conditioner, something like that, that has a little bit of protein, and I find that that has been extremely helpful for my hair. And at first I used to stay away from it, but I noticed that, you know, just because I'm natural, that doesn't mean my hair doesn't need those bonds. You know, I manipulate my hair. I don't wear my hair in its natural state all the time, so the strands can get loose, they can lose some elasticity, and so I need to get put those proteins, those bonds back into my hair. Honestly, that is it. Those are the subtle changes that I have been doing to my hair, and I feel like that has definitely kick-started my hair back. My hair is definitely starting to look a lot fuller. I feel like my hair is definitely starting to look like what it should look like being 4 years natural. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Definitely let me know if you did. Leave down in the comments down below if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.